Hey guys, and welcome. My name is Imran, and today I'm going to teach you 5 steps to reprogram your mindset for success. I know many of you might be skeptical on thinking, wow, 5 steps to reprogram my mind for success? Really? Come on. The truth is, it gets a little bit deeper than that, and I'm just going to show you the 5 steps that I know that work for anyone who really is sincere in their heart and really want to achieve success the right way. And it all starts up here. So let's get going. Step 1, unlearn what you've been taught. Get rid of the bad and the negative things that you've been taught, things that you've experienced, things that you've been through. A lot of the times, many people have experienced traumatic events, loss of lives, sicknesses, illnesses, financial crises, relationship problems. And the problem is, many of us have conditioned ourselves to believe that that's what life is, and that is what it consists of. And what happens is we've experienced this emotionally, mentally, and spiritually, and we're hooked on it, and we can't get out of it. And the only way you're going to get out of it by telling yourself, wow, I need to take this past history, these past experiences, and not say that they were a waste, but stop focusing on them. You need to unlearn them, get rid of them, move them to the recycling bin like on your desktop, and delete them. Have them for experiences, but don't give them the energy and the time that you think that they deserve. The problem is we're glued to them because of fear, doubt, uncertainty, and what it causes us is stress and anxiety and depression and pressures. And from these experiences, we can never look beyond them. We can never try something new. So the first thing you want to do to reprogram your mindset for success is try to unlearn and forget the bad. Get rid of the negativity and toss in the recycling bin. Step 2, redefine the root of your success. And that success starts with a grateful heart. Start with gratitude. Start your morning with gratitude every single day. Every day that you get to wake up, think about it. You get to inhale and exhale. You get to use your eyes for many of us. We get to experience and feel and touch. A lot of the people are 6 feet underground today. They don't get to experience that anymore. So you may not have the luxuries of the world. You may not have the monies. You may not have the material, the relationships you want. It's all good. You need to start with a grateful heart every day to increase your value in yourself first. In order for you to attract greatness, you need to become greatness. And how you become greatness is starting with a grateful heart. So pay attention to the things that you have, because many people don't have what you have today. The only way you're watching this video right now is because you have the ability to, the capabilities to. If you didn't, you wouldn't have this opportunity to watch this video and learn the 5 steps for reprogramming your mindset for success. So these little things, you want to be grateful for them. If you overlook them, you're going to lose what you have and you're going to lose yourself. And a lot of people already have. So this entire point of me making these 5 steps is to help you redefine the root of your success. And it really starts within yourself and just becoming grateful in here first. So be grateful for your problems. Be grateful for the things that you have. And work hard for the things that you want. And remember, it starts with gratitude. That has to be the root, the foundation. Think of a house, right? If the house doesn't have a strong foundation, it's going to collapse. And everyone inside is going to die. Or they might get injured very bad. So your heart also needs to be built in a certain way. It needs to be built around gratitude and strength. It needs to be focused on the things that you do have. And you need to value the things that you have. Otherwise, the depreciation is going to start. And you're going to start gluing yourself to things that are going to wither away quicker than you. Step 3, give attention to greatness. God, I love this one. And I preach about this all day. I share it to everybody, all my clients, all my friends, all my family members. Give attention to greatness. And what do I mean by that? What is greatness? Who defines greatness? Who gets to select and say, hey, this is great? Society? Influencers? Social media? Politics? No. Believe it or not, greatness is in front of you every single day, every moment you wake up. Where? Look up. Go outside. Experience the oxygen that you get for free every day. Experience the sunlight, the alternating of the day and the night, the moon, the stars, the trees, the ocean, the water. That is greatness. How can I claim that's greatness? Man did not create it. It's just there. Science has its theoretical stories. People have certain stories, but I'm going to tell you something very straightforward. Man did not create it. Science can have its theoretical stories. Truth is, if you want to associate with greatness, you become greatness. And greatness starts with something that man did not create. The sun, the stars, the moon, the world that's alternating the night and the day, the world in itself. There's a lot out there. So I want you to take your time and your energy. Every morning I do this. I walk outside. I pay attention to the sun. I pay attention to the clouds, the sky. I take in deep breaths, inhale, exhale. I take in the good energies, and you can too. And when you do this and you practice this every single day, and maybe multiple times a day, which I do probably 3 to 5 times a day, it really allows you to recharge your energies and recharge yourself and bring positivity into your mindset. And after you do this a few times, you start conditioning your mindset. You start reprogramming your mindset. You start attracting greatness into yourself. And guess what? Greatness attracts greatness. Law of attraction. Things start coming to you. Things start falling into place. Stress, anxiety, depression goes down. Confidence and strength starts increasing. Clarity and focus starts increasing. Determination and discipline starts increasing. All of this, it doesn't cost you money. It costs you your attention. It costs you your energy. So pay attention when you go outside and focus your energy on greatness. Give it your attention. Step 4, let's create the winning mindset. You have to create this reprogram in your mind that you are working on building a stronger mindset, a winning mindset. You are reprogramming your mind to become successful. So I wrote something very simple here. If you want to be an elite within your own dominion, you must try hard to see good in every bad, light in the dark, hope in despair, success and failure, love and hate. What do I mean by that? You are the one that controls the things that you see. They have a saying, when you have a glass of water and it's halfway full, the pessimist will say it's half empty. The optimist will say it's half full. And you need to see life that way too, because nobody else is going to help you choose and decide how you think up here. You have to program that yourself. And it's very easy. You just need to take your negative moments and thoughts whenever they're negative and be grateful for them. Like I said in step 3, you need to be grateful for them. You need to see that, every time there's something bad, there's also something good. Every time you feel like nothing's going to happen, there's always going to be this little sense of hope that you need to have, and you need to create it. You need to engage your mind and condition it, program it to believe that there is some hope there, there is some light there, and there is going to be success there. And from every hatred, every ill feeling, remember, those feelings are temporary. Our emotions are temporary. Life is temporary. And this is the best way I can tell you to create a winning mindset and control your dominion, your mind, your heart. Nobody has say greater than you do. You are the one who is the controller. You are the one who is the master. You are the one who's going to be able to create that winning mindset. And it all starts with you. And step 5, intention, it powers action. Intention means the thought in your head. Your subconscious is running 95%, 90 to 95% of the time. It's controlling your thoughts, your experiences, your memories, your behaviors. 5 to 10% of the time, it's your conscious, your awareness. Meaning like right now, you're listening to me. You're aware. That's your conscious awareness. But behind me speaking, you have 70,000 thoughts going throughout the day that's thinking while I'm speaking and while you're listening, right? So what you can do is your intention to go and do something, it needs to be powered with action. So when you decide to do something, when you decide to go for a walk or go to the gym or eat something, you first thought about it in your subconscious. It rose to your conscious, then you made an intention. And your intention powered your action. And as you made your moves, results followed. But you didn't get it in an instant because you had to be patient. So if you wanted to go make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich right now, you would have to make an intention like, okay, I'm going to go to the kitchen, so I'm going to take action. I'm going to take my time, get the ingredients, the bread and the peanut butter and the jelly, and get a knife or a spoon and smear it on, put it together, then eat it. You're not going to rush and go do it. Of course you can, but it's going to be messy. But most of us are going to take our time and make a sandwich, and we're going to enjoy it. And that comes with patience. And everything in life comes with patience. So I hope in these short 5 steps, in this brief summary that I gave you, that I was able to help you reprogram, recondition your mindset for success, and help you create that winning mindset at the root, at the foundation of what you believe. For more of me, if you like my content, I would appreciate it if you go check me out on my website and my podcast, Entrepreneur Success Mindset Podcast. I'm going to be sharing a lot of free content on there. wolfofdigitalofficial.com. Wolf of Digital is my personal brand. My website's wolfofdigitalofficial.com. I do a lot of things, and I don't want to go through them, to be honest with you, because there's a lot. You can check out my website and view them, or you can read the comments below this video and see the description on what I wrote. And you have my personal Instagram and my business personal brand Instagram, Wolf of Digital, as well. I hope you guys benefited from what I shared. Please share your comments. Please tell me if I did good to help you today. And I hope to continue creating more videos for you guys. And I hope that this helps you. Thank you for watching.